Kazu. That's right. It's called Kazu.
What is your dada's name?
Japan. It's Japan.
Yeah, dada is in Japan now. What is your dada's name?
Japan.
He...
Kazu. It's not. It's Dada.
Yeah.
It's Dada.
Do you love your dada?
No.
Why?
It's for you. It's mommy young and you're young. I guess baby young. Okay.
What's your name,
I
baby?
think mommy's the Lola. I get her mommy.
What is your mama's name? What is your mommy's name?
Yan.
What is your dada's name?
Katus.
Hiro.
Kalo.
What is your dada's name?
Okay.
Hiro.
Hello, it's Dr. Bobby. Hello, it's Dr. Bobby.
Yes.
Wait. Stay, Bobby. Stay. I can clean over this. Right. Okay. Okay.
What is your mommy's name?
Try.
What is your dada's name?
Cortez.
What is your dada's name? He...
Kado.
Kazu.